Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2019 Harley Davidson Street Bob. This Street Bob has just under 1,400 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. With the low miles on it, the tires are still in excellent condition, plenty of life left in them. It comes with 10-inch mini apes, as well as heated grips. It also comes with a solo seat, but it's had passenger pegs added to it. It also comes with a sissy bar. The baffles have been removed out of the exhaust. And as you can see with the rear tire, a lot of life left in that too. And again, our passenger pegs. And factory mid controls. And again, there's our heated grips. And the mini apes. I don't know what that is. Just noticed some little discoloration right there. Alright. Show you those miles. So, I guess this has actually got 1,550 miles on it. This 2019 Harley Davidson Street Bob will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.